Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge and my freezer. I did not have my children with me today. My mom was so nice to watch my kids while I went and did my taxes and did some grocery shopping. So I literally came home, threw this cold stuff in the fridge and freezer and left. So I have things all over my kitchen floor right now that I need to put in my cabinets, but my fridge is so bad. I haven't organized it in a while, and I'm usually pretty good about it, keeping it organized, and it's not organized at all. So I literally just threw everything in here, all up in there. So let's do this thing. So if I film my freezer, you guys really aren't even gonna be able to see it because my house is really retarded, and my freezer does not open all the way. So I'm stuck here. That's all I get. That's all I get. So then I get minimal space as I'm putting things in my freezer. It's really stupid. I hate it. One day I'll have a bigger house, but my freezer.